When I hear the tree breeze swaying around, the willow leaves surround. When I return from the grove, my tippy-toe feet carry a hush of moss. The oak trees where I asleep, I carve out some initial names to keep. Each leave's marks untoned by invisible hands, with a tingling through the tip of each strands. Yet the trees have pressed something into me, not demands, not even promises, just a melody that whispers within, through beneath my skin. Like the old song I listened on the radio, in her cadence I hear a promise. Go easy, let it shine, listen within the trees.